Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEFS Home School. I am Belal Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our topic is oral sheet practice. Okay, lecture number 32. Lecture number 32. Okay, let's start the practice of oral sheet. Look. Divisor is 3 times of the remainder. Divisor is 3 times of the remainder. If remainder is 2, then what is the divisor? Okay, then your answer will be the divisor is 6. That means 3 to the 6. 2 number, price of 5 pencil is 60 taka. Then how much is the price of 9 pencils? You say the price of 9 pencils is 108 taka. How can you divide 60 by 5? Then we get 12, and then you multiply 9 with 12, then you get 108. Okay. 3 number question, what is LCM? The smallest number among the common multiple is called the lowest common multiple, or LCM. The smallest number among the common multiple is called the lowest common multiple, okay, or LCM. What is the HCF? The largest number among the common factor is called the HCF, or highest common factor. You see, the largest number among the common factor is called highest common factor, or HCF. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? You see, there is no common factor between 2 and 3, so the LCM of 2 and 3 is 3 to the 6. Now question number 6, what is the HCF of 3 and 7? You see, there is the no common factor between 3 and 7, so the HCF of 3 and 7 is 1. 7 number question, why 1 is not a prime number? A prime number has only 2 factors, but 1 has only 1 factor, so 1 is not a prime number. Okay. Number 8, question number 8. You see, what do you mean by prime factor? If the factor of a number is prime number, then it is called prime factor. 9 number, what is composite number? If any number has more than 2 factors, then this number is called composite number. That means, suppose 6, it has more than 2 factors. Suppose 2, 3, okay, 6, okay. So this is called the composite number. You see, if any number more than 2 factors, then this number is called composite number. Suppose 6, 8, 12, 24, this is the composite number. Now question number 10. What is the value of a proper number? Okay, the value of proper fraction is less than 1, always less than 1. Suppose you see 3 by 5, this is always less than 1. 2 by 3, you see, this is also less than 1. So this is called the proper number. This is called the proper number, or the proper fraction. That means the value of any proper fraction is less than 1. Question number 11, which is factor of any number? Answer, 1 is the factor of any number. 1 is the factor of any number. Question number 12, what is a factor? What is a factor? The numbers by which any other number is divisible individually are known as factor. The numbers by which any other number is divisible individually are known as factor. Question number 13, how can 1 by 10 be expressed in words? You say 1 by 10 can be expressed in words 1/10. 1 by 10 means 1/10, not tens, 1/10. Question number 14, how can 107 107.67 be expressed in words? You say 107.67 can be expressed in words as 107.67. You see 107.67. That means after point you not say 67. You don't say 67. You have to say decimal 67. Okay. Number 15. What is the unit of measurement of area? We know the unit of measurement of area is square unit. The unit of measurement of area is square unit. Question number 16. How many seconds are there in an hour? You say there are 3600 seconds in an hour. Okay. Question number 17. How many weeks are there in a month? You say there are 4 weeks in a month. There are 4 weeks in a month. 18 number question. What does data means? You say data is the number based information. Data is the number based information. Question number 19. What is statistics? You say the statistics is a branch of science which deals with numerical data. Statistics is a branch of science which deals with numerical data. Question number 20. What is an isosceles triangle? That means you have to say the definition. A triangle in which two sides are equal is called an isosceles triangle. Okay, a triangle in which two sides are equal is called an isosceles triangle. Suppose you see these two sides are equal. You see in the ABC triangle these two sides are equal, so we can say ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay dear student, I hope you understood. Dear student, I hope you understood today's topic. You have to keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. You stay safe, stay well, see you again.